Panasonic Multi-Groomer Men's Trimmer for Beard, Hair, and Body. The Panasonic GP80 uses ultra-sharp stainless steel blades to cut hair quickly for efficient beard, head, and body hair grooming. 3 attachments, adjustable trim lengths, the quick adjust trimmer dial, and 3 comb attachments provide 39 precision length settings to personalize sculpting and trimming. Edge and detail. A slide-up precision trimmer adds the perfect detail to beards, mustaches, and sideburns. Use corded or cordless. Use the hair and beard trimmer for men cordless anytime for up to 50 minutes with rechargeable battery power, or plug in for longer use. Ergonomic design, easy to clean, rubberized grip provides total comfort and control while trimming. Beard trimmer cleans in seconds under running water. Precision designed to easily maintain your individual look and style at home and on the go. The all-in-one Panasonic GP80S men's cordless/corded body and beard trimmer and hair clipper exceeds the highest standards of trimmer and clipper quality, reliability, and comfort. Ultra-sharp blades are home to an acute 45-degree edge to cleanly cut and trim away unwanted hair. Blades are made of hypoallergenic stainless steel for less irritation, even on sensitive skin. The GP80S has 3 comb attachments so you can groom where you want. The comb, 1 to 10 millimeters, trims mustache and beard, or use the B comb, 11 to 20 millimeters, to trim longer beards or hair. The 1.5 millimeters attachment gently trim underarms, chest, shoulders, legs, and other areas. An adjustable trim dial allows you to set your ideal trimming length with up to 39 settings. Simply pop on a comb attachment and adjust the dial for your ideal length for hair, beard, or mustache. The GP80S can be used cordlessly for up to 50 minutes on one charge. Or plug in and use corded for added convenience. And when used cordlessly, you can trim dry or trim wet with or without shaving cream or foam to help increase your comfort. Edge sideburns add the perfect detail to mustache or easily trim away stray hairs. The slide-up trimmer instantly engages to detail even fine hair. Lightweight yet durable, the GP80 has an ergonomic design with rubberized grip to fit comfortably in the hand and provide maximum user control. An easy open water drain allows water to flow freely through trimmer blades for quick cleaning after each use. Keep your trimmer running like new by replacing blades when dulled, about once every 3 years.
If you like to buy the product, please check out the link to purchase in description below.